Our 15 liters hot water coffee boiler and dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. The height, we have at least 18.5 inches. Overall length, we have at least 13.75 inches. Coming to the middle is your water level indicator, dispenser, and the bottom, on-off switch with the heat and keep warm indicating lights. The twist of the lid is where you can insert your filter for your coffee grounds. It's where we dump in all the coffee. Underneath, it will boil and make the coffee for you to dispense. Dimensions for the urn, we have at least 10.5 inches by 13.5 inches in height. Towards the back, we have our ETL certification along with our 110-120 voltage plug. Our 15-liter hot water boiler coffee dispenser. For more information on this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.